Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 23, Unit F Incredible India, Dances of India from the book GK 3. Indian classical dances represent the visual form of Indian art. There are various dance forms that represent the rich culture of India. It is said that dance is the poetry of our body and music of the soul. Indian classical dance forms are more than that. They are the body expressions that show devotion and submission to the divine creator. तो जो इंडियन क्लासिकल डांसेस है वो काफ़ी विजुअल फॉर्म ऑफ इंडियन आर्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ऑल्सो काफ़ी सारे फॉर्म्स हैं डांस के जो कि इंडिया के रिच कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड ये भी कहा जाता है कि जो डांस होता है दैट इज द पोइट्री ऑफ आवर बॉडी एंड म्यूजिक ऑफ द सोल. ओके, एंड जो इंडियन क्लासिकल डांसेस है वो इससे बढ़कर है बिकॉज इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द बॉडी एक्सप्रेशंस. ऑल्सो वो शो करता है जो कि डिवोशन को और सबमिशन टू डिवाइन एनर्जी और द क्रिएटर. Then there is creative skill. First we'll answer this think and answer. Give the names of any 5 classical dances of India. So the name of 5 classical dances of India are Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, Odissi. Okay. Then we have, here are pictures of some dance forms of our country. Name them using the help box. So there are some pictures of the dance form. We have to write the name of these dance form with the help of help box. This is the help box. We have options: Kuchipudi, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, Kathakali, Mohini, Atyam. Okay. First one in the picture you can see, this is Bharatnatyam. Okay. Second one, this is Kuchipudi. Third one, this one is Mohini Atyam. Fourth one, this one is Kathakali. Fifth one is Manipuri. Sixth one is Kathak. Okay. Forbit. Kuchipudi originated probably in the 10th century. Its modern version was founded and systematized by Siddhendra Yogi. जो कुचिपुड़ी डांस है ये 10th सेंचुरी में फाउंड हुआ था, ओरिजिनेट हुआ था बेसिकली, और इसका जो मॉडर्न वर्जन है वो फाउंड किया और सिस्टमैटाइज किया है सिद्धेंद्र योगी जी ने. ओके. देन वी हैव टीचर्स नोट. टेल टू द स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट द वेरियस डांस फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया. यूज पिक्चर्स टू मेक लर्निंग इजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. एक्टिविटी जोन, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. सर्च द फॉलोइंग इन द ग्रिड given below and encircle their names. So we have some questions. We have to answer these questions by finding some words from this grid. Okay, let's start. Question 1, a classical dance of India. There it is. This is Kathak. I'll mark it here and I'll write it here. Okay. Now second, a dish from Sikkim. So this is the dish, that is momos. So I'll write it here. Then the third, Indian currency, which is rupee. So there is rupee. Okay, I'll write it here. Then fourth, a very poisonous snake called King Dash. जो सबसे poisonous snake होता है that is King Cobra. Here is Cobra. Okay. I'll write it here. Fifth, national flower of India, which is lotus. Here is lotus. I'll mark it and I'll write it here. Then sixth, a blind Indian poet. So that is Surdas. Here is Surdas. I'll write it here. Then seventh, the flag of India is known as dash. So flag of India is known as tricolor. Okay, there is tricolor. I'll write it here. Then eighth, this monument is situated at Hyderabad. That is Char Minar. Here is Char Minar. I'll write it here as well. Now there is think and answer. How many states are there in our country, India? We have 28 states in our country, India. Okay. Teacher's note. Help students understand how to do this activity. With the help of this activity, inform students about various features and current information of our country. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.